Hi, my name is Patrick, and this video is to inform you about the CET Crash Course. We are having it at online and Thana, two options. Now, it is normally conducted in March. Okay, this year the date has been around 9th or 10th of March. Though the forms are not yet come, we'll have to wait. The top colleges obviously are Bajaj, Sidlan, Velinka, Pumba, SIS, etc. Bajaj is one of the top 10 colleges in India, doing extremely well and great placements. So a lot of people write CET for Bajaj. Sidlam also is a good college, government college. Then you have Wellington. Pumba is again a government college, SIS. So all these five colleges, Pumba is in Pune, the remaining four are in Mumbai. There are many other colleges, obviously. I'm just named the top five. Now there are 200 questions in the exam, okay, 200 marks paper. The paper is comparatively easy. It's called a speed-based exam. Speed-based exam is where you have less time. So in this case, you have less than a minute per question. Remember, 200 questions, 150 minutes. So you have less than a minute per questions. So automatically, it's a fast exam. Questions are easy, but you need to move fast. So in that case, shortcut tricks, how to solve faster, all that becomes extremely important. So if you look at a breakup, the maths and DI section is 50 questions. Reasoning, the logic section which is there, both logic, verbal reasoning, etc. is 75 questions. Verbal section is 50 questions. Abstract reasoning is 25. Abstract is where it's also called visuals, where you have 4 figures given, what's the 5th figure, and so on. Figure based. You can move between sections as such. So it's, as I said, comparatively easy paper. You need not complete the whole paper. But yes, since there is no negative mark, you should mark all the answers at least. That's what you should do. The tricks, strategies, how to solve the paper, etc. we will discuss in the course. The course structure, 2 stages. The first stage is 30 hours of syllabus, where we'll try to cover the syllabus in brief, obviously, so that you have a fair idea of what the syllabus is. And then 12 hours of workshop, where we'll focus on shortcut methods, how to solve things faster. Plus, you'll have a lot of practice sessions. Practice sessions help you to practice those questions or the methods that we teach in the practice sessions as such. If you have online sessions are normally conducted night post 8:30 p.m. Okay, so online is conducted post 8:30 p.m. on Zoom. So you can, if you feel, you can. The course is conducted by me, Patrick, and Rochelle. You can also purchase 400 plus videos. We have videos which are there for different topics which come in CET for practice purpose to help your methods, etc. And you can also purchase 15 mocks. Okay, these are the course structure which is there. So we have more than 150 students in JBIMS in the last 18 years. Also, we have a lot of our students who scored 99.99 plus percentile in the exam as such. So if you want to enroll, you can enroll online at the following link, prep.patrick100.com. The fees for the course, that is the crash course, is 4,900 without the videos. If you want the videos, the fees is 8,900. You can contact us on the numbers given below, or you can email us at support@coinacademy.com. Right? Thank you.